Lazada and it arrived after 5 days. So, napakabilis kahit from Manila to Iloilo pa yung bilhin niya. So, let's open this one. So, ayan. We have this Tala by Kyla pouch. It's a customized pouch, so it's so cute. So let's open this one. So first thing is this keychain. So, nakalagay din na Tala by Kyla. And then polishing cloth. By the way, this is my first ever Tala by Kyla purchase, so hindi pa ako familiar sa mga laman niya. So, we have here the polishing cloth, jewelry polishing cloth. Next one, we have here thank you letter and instructions on how to take care of the piece or jewelry. So that's it, and a thank you letter. And for the highlight, we have here, ta-da! Wow! Tala by Kyla customized jewelry box. And if we open this, ta-da! Okay, so this is a golden snitch inspired necklace from Tala by Kyla. Yes, Harry Potter golden snitch inspired. So that's it. That's everything inside the pouch. We have this keychain, and then this thank you card and instructions on how to take care of your jewelry. And last is this polishing cloth. So it's very worth it na for its price na 309 pesos. So I'm very glad that I purchased this. I will just put the link of the Tala by Kyla shop in the description box below. So thank you all for watching.